Hi there and welcome back to our channel. Today we will talk about 6 technologies NASA is advancing to send humans to Mars. So before starting, please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. 1. Powerful propulsion system. First generation nuclear thermal propulsion or NTP could enable both faster transit between the Earth and Mars and a series of advanced space missions. Nuclear thermal propulsion is powered by nuclear fission, which has been used on Earth for more than 70 years. How it works is conceptually simple. Energy from fission is used to heat hydrogen to about 4,400 degrees Fahrenheit. This hydrogen is then accelerated through a nozzle, resulting in a propellant efficiency roughly twice that of the best chemical rocket engines. Nuclear thermal propulsion was considered for use in the Apollo program, and significant development and ground testing was accomplished. Advances in technology since the 1960s may improve its affordability, viability, and acceptability. For example, it may be possible to fuel modern NTP systems with low enriched uranium instead of highly enriched uranium. In addition, it may now be possible to ground test NTP systems at established safe self-contained rocket engine test facilities. 2. Inflatable heat shield. A new type of heat shield was successfully tested, with the hopes this type of inflatable decelerator could be used in the future to land humans and large payloads on Mars, or for atmospheric entry on other planets on moons. Decelerators are used to slow down space vehicles as they land. The low Earth orbit flight test of an inflatable decelerator, Lofted, was launched aboard a United Launch Alliance (ULA) Atlas V rocket on November 10 from the Vandenberg Space Force Base in California. Lofted was a secondary payload on the launch of the Joint Polar Satellite System 2, JPSS-2, weather satellite. 3. High-tech Martian spacesuits. A new era of exploration is beginning. NASA is building on its experience in low Earth orbit and preparing to go farther, setting up a base camp in orbit around the Moon known as the Gateway, exploring the surface of the Moon like never before, and preparing to one day go to Mars. To accomplish all this, NASA will need a new spacesuit for its astronauts, one that's more flexible, versatile, and durable than any made before. Engineers are now hard at work designing, building, and testing the new suit, making sure it's up to the task for future exploration. 4. Martian home and lab on wheels. The next wheels on the red planet will belong to the Mars Science Laboratory, MSL, a huge step in how that planet is further poked, probed, and more fully plumbed for new information. MSL is a huge chunk of machinery. At liftoff in September 2009, it will carry the largest, most advanced set of instruments for on-the-spot science duties ever dispatched to the Martian surface. The nuclear-powered rover is being designed to assess whether Mars ever was, or is still today, an environment able to support microbial life. On one hand, MSL closes out an intensive period of surveying Mars, while setting the stage for an aggressive agenda of future robotic Mars exploration that ultimately leads to the planting of the first footprints on the red planet. 5. Uninterrupted power. NASA is advancing an existing technology to enable future space exploration of the solar system. With plans to expand human missions to Mars and science exploration of the outer planets, the need for reliable power becomes essential. Space-qualified nuclear reactors are one technology that can provide for safe and reliable power for many of these missions. Nuclear power and both is not new. These clips from the 1960s provide a window into the past. A U.S. program was put into place that developed and flew the world's first space reactor. Before the reactor is turned on, that is prior to fission starting, the reactor fuel is very safe and only mildly radioactive. A joint venture between NASA and the Department of Energy is underway to develop a new space reactor that meets a range of exploration missions. The reactor, called kilopower, can deliver a range of 1 to 10 kilowatts of electricity, that is enough to power anything from one toaster to an entire household. 6. Laser communications. Remember, these laser light made records obsolete. NASA is on the verge of doing the same thing with space-based communications. Before the end of the decade, the Laser Communication Relay Demonstration Mission will revolutionize the way we move tons of data from orbit to ground and all around the solar system. The demand for vast transmission capability grows exponentially. Sensors are gathering more data than ever, sophisticated command and control software talks more and asks more. Conventional radio frequency transmissions can't meet the need, that's why engineers at Goddard and partners like MIT Lincoln Lab, the Jet Propulsion Lab and Space Systems Laurel are working on the next generation of high data rate low mass optical systems. That's at the end of our video. Hope you like this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.